Hey guys, how are you all? So let's start the story. Jimin is now why you are? Huh? Jimin look up. He see the person. Jimin, you, Bogum, yes, me. When you go from our life, why you come again? Why you come again, huh? Jimin, I just come to see him, but he is that much with me. What I do, huh? Bogum, oh, you come to see him? Jimin, stay silent. Jimin, please leave me. Bogum, because of you, me. Even he don't know who you are. Jimin, he did because you said, Bogum, about you, huh? Don't forget, Jimin, you are his secretary. Jimin sighed. Jimin, I know, I am. Please. Again, they are watching movie. So Bogum, no, I will not. You will hear. He said, and he go, Jimin, please don't let happen something with my. He closed his eyes and start to, as they with his chair, he is three. He don't know what is happening with him. He want to go from all this to make his Yoongi come home after meeting Jimin. Yoongi sign. Yoongi, huh? Why? He is not ready to listen me. I will him. Jin Yoongi. Yoongi Hyung, listen. I can't stay without anymore. Jin Yoongi, listen me first. You talk with him. Yoongi, I do, but he is not ready to listen me, Jin. So you don't do this. You leave him. Yoongi, no way, Hyung. I will not. He's my. I don't know anything. I want him. Jin, okay, okay, calm down. And then Yoongi, phone start ringing. Yoongi see the caller ID. Yoongi said, man, sir, we are following Jimin, sir, and someone come and take him with him. Yoongi, what do you mean? Man, they, sir. Yoongi, and you didn't do anything. Man, our man go behind him, sir. We sent you location. Yoongi, do fast. He said and stand up. Jin, what happened? Yoongi looked at him. Yoongi, nothing. He said and run from there. Bogum go. Jimin is now by sitting here. He is not able to think what he do now. He's really so tired. Jimin open his eyes and he see someone is him from the Jimin open his eyes fully and he see the man. He look up, both look at each other and they hear the sound of but no one cares. Yoongi, you okay? Jimin, how you come here? Yoongi didn't give him answer. यार हद हो गई. And Yoongi, okay? Jimin, how you come here? Yoongi didn't give him answer and he see his hand. Yoongi, I will the person, he said, and stand up. He hold Jimin hand and him to stand up. Jimin is feeling so. Close his eyes, he don't tell Yoongi. Come with me for now. Jimin san as not like Yoongi listen him now. Yoongi didn't ask him again and him in. Jimin see him, he take him from there. Yoongi take him home and make him sit on the bed. He go from there. He go from the room. Jimin see the room. Memories flash in his mind. Jin come in the room. Jin, now what you decide? Jimin, Jin Hyun. Jin, tell me, Jimin. You still think it's good to go from him? Jimin Hyung, please call. I am. If something happens to me, please Hyung. He said and he started. Jin, no, no, wait, I do. He said but Yoongi already called. Yoongi him, he is okay or not. Jin and Jimin look at each other. He have some on his give him. He will be fine and this. Jimin, I don't take any. Why? Jimin look at Jin. Jin because he's and it's not good. Can you him is not. Huh? You all can go. Okay, so he will check after doing. So he will check after doing. Um. Okay, so or not, but it just so don't think too much. You all can go out. Jin Yoongi take Yoongi out, and Yoongi is shocked. Jimin is how time skip is fine, Mister. Just a little. And Jimin know about this. He nodded. Take care of your diet. You and you will be fine. Jimin nodded. Jimin, thank you. He finally signed in real life. He go and Jungi come in the room. He look at Jimin. Jimin can see how much he is looking right now. But how he tell him he have to be happy. He is going to be Jimin looking down. Jin come Jin. You both listen. You both listen. Listen. Jimin look at Jin. Jin, solve your okay. Otherwise, Jimin, I tell him everything by myself. It's enough now. You both so much with your. He said and go from there. He closed the door. He closed the door. Jimin see Yoongi, who is already looking at him, and then he looking down, Yoongi, you don't tell me Jimin in mind. Jimin in mind. How can I tell you? I go from you. That's why. Jimin, you are already to someone. Yoongi, who is your? Jimin, look at him. Jimin, you. Yoongi, look at him. Jimin, it's true. Yoongi, me. Jimin looking down and he start how much he gave himself. He is not understanding. Yoongi see him. He sits beside him. Jimin didn't look at him and to him. He start. Yoongi don't understand, but he back him. He just know one thing. He don't see Jimin like this. After some time, he back and look at him. Jimin, you still don't know anything. Yoongi, tell me, Jimin, what you are saying. I am so confused. Jimin again, him, he don't know how much Yoongi understand him. Or Jimin 8 months ago passed. Jimin come in the room. Jimin, finally we are now. So Yoongi and Jimin each other after 2 years from past 2 years. But as Yoongi mom is not ready, so she don't. But after a lot of she is now and they are finally. Now Jimin is waiting for him in the room. Jimin turned when he heard door opening voice. Jimin now also later. Min Yoongi learn to come on time. Yoongi, oh, you waiting for me that much? Jimin, Who is waiting for you, huh? He said, and he looked into another side. Yoongi holds and Jimin looked at him. Yoongi, so you are not waiting for me? Jimin, no, I don't. Yoongi, really? Jimin with the and Jimin, no, I don't even. I am sleepy. He said and about to go by his Yoongi. You are sleepy, huh? I don't let you. Today I wait for this day a lot. Yoongi see him and Jimin looking down. Yoongi up his and both look at each other. He places and Jimin close his eyes. He know Jimin and he always do this. Jimin Yoongi. Yoongi look at him. Jimin Yoongi. Jimin look at me. Jimin no way. Jimin no way. Yoongi, oh, you are feeling. Jimin nodded and he make a pouch. Yoongi see him. He chuckled. He pouched. Jimin open his eyes and see him. They both chuckle and Jimin see him and Jimin, another nickname Yoongi, yeah. He said, and so I do voiceover in daytime. That's why the birds were chirping. Okay, so what I do with my birds, I also don't know. So it's 3 a.m. Um, and next day, Jimin is the Jimin is the one who wake up first and he gets ready. He is doing his morning routine. When Yoongi wake up and see him, he go and back him. Jimin see him from the back and he raised his eyebrow. Yoongi, you are looking beautiful. Jimin, because I am now go and fresh up. Yoongi, I will. He said and turned. Jimin, Yoongi, see the time. We are already. Yoongi, like I care, huh? Jimin, Yoongi, please, he said, but it seems like Yoongi didn't hear. And he started. Jimin could speak something, but the door knocked, and he shocked. He go and open the door. There, he can see Yoongi mom without saying anything. Yoongi go from there for fresh up. Jimin auntie. Okay, so Yoongi feeling bad. Jimin do this with him, but what Jimin do here? Your author also don't know what she write or not. Hmm. Mrs. Min, I am here to tell you my new son. See the time. You may do all this in your house, but here you have to wake up early and help Jin in the kitchen. Jimin, I will. I said Yoongi, but Mrs. Min don't Yoongi. You have to manage the things, understand? Jimin, yes. He looking down and she go. Jimin closed the door and returned. Jimin, I said him, but he didn't listen me. Yoongi come out. Jimin, see, I said you now. They are going outside. They are waiting outside. But you don't listen me. Jimin complete without saying anything. Yoongi go out from the room. Jimin in mind. I was right. He don't talk with me. What I do now? He also go behind him. So Yoongi is a type of person he don't like when someone come him and Jimin him away from everything. But not this, huh? Jimin come out. He see he sit beside Namjoon and talking with him. Jin see him and smile. Jimin, come. Jimin smile. Jimin, good morning, Hyun. I'm good morning, Jimin. Come sit. He sit beside Jin and he see Yoongi. They are talking and Mrs. Min come. Mrs. Min. Mrs. Min. Everyone, listen everyone. Bogum is coming. Yoongi, why? He asked, and Jimin know why his mood is Mrs. Min. What means why, huh? He is coming to meet me. Yoongi, why you meet him outside? And said Jim, go. Mrs. Min, why I am talking with you, Jin. Can you see the guest room? Jin, yeah, the guest room is clean. Aram, relax, bro. He stay here for some days. After that he go. Yoongi, you know I am. Aram, I don't know why you do, but it's okay. He stay here for some times. Mrs. Min go. Jin, Yoongi, I want to talk with you. Come. Sorry, Jin. Aram nodded and they go. They go. Jimin see him and he sign. He go and sit beside him. Jimin, Yoongi, what happened? Why your mood is Yoongi? Oh wow, you are asking me this? Jimin, Yoongi, auntie come if she see what we do. Yoongi, first of all, I don't care. And you also stop from her. And mostly the door is locked, Jimin. Jimin, still I become on that time, Yoongi. I don't care. Just don't talk with me. Jimin, enough, Yoongi. It's alright. This is not that much thing you are creating. Yoongi, oh, really, huh? Jimin, listen. No matter what the situation, me away from you. He said Jimin is feeling and he nodded. He nodded and Jungi smiled. Jungi, my mochi. Jimin, huh? He see him. He is smiling. Jimin mind. He is with me sometimes ago and now see. And now see. Um, some days pass. Jungi come home. He is so like he's someone. Now he the deal. Jimin come in the room and she see Jungi is the things here and there. The whole room is he the jug also. Jimin, Jungi, what are you doing? Jungi, go from here now. Jimin, don't come in the room. He said in voice and Jimin don't understand. Jimin, what happened? Tell me. Yoongi, go from here, Jimin. Jimin went to him. Yoongi, I said you go, Jimin, he said, and him. Jimin, Yoongi see. Yoongi didn't said anything and he go from there. Jimin see him. He see his Jin come. He see them. Jin, Jimin, what happened with Yoongi and what happened with your hand? Okay, so it's 3:09 and 20 minutes. 3:15 तक वॉइस ओवर मेरा कवर होगा. I have to do voice over still 3:15. It's time. And must be white over. Okay. Your hand and you. Jane help him to sit on the bed. Jin, oh my, your hand is. He puts on his hand. Jimin see him. Jimin, he know my hand is see, but he go. Jin, he may be Jimin, Jin Hyun. Maybe he's too much. Jimin, but it doesn't mean he do this. Jin, Yoongi is too much. You don't talk with him whenever he's. Jimin, I am his. Jin, I sent maid. You take rest. She cleaned the room. He said and go. Jimin, no, Yoongi is too much. Bury him. He never think about this again and again. Okay, and again and again. See his hand, and then after some time, maids come and place the flowers on the bed. Jimin, what is this, maid? I don't know, sir. She said, and go from there. Jimin, see the flowers. Jimin, see the flowers. Jimin, see the note also. Jimin, I am sorry. On that time, Jimin see he didn't react, and he placed the note on the side. Made again come with the chocolates and note. She go. Jimin open the note and read. Please, I know I never do this again. Again do the same thing. Then mates come. Jimin, go from here. I don't want anything, mate. I'm sorry, sir. She said, and she placed on the bed. Jimin didn't read the note and he closed his eyes. He don't know when he fell in sleep. After some time, he opened his eyes and looked here and there. It's almost 2 a.m. and outside is the Jimin and Yoongi is not here. He stand up and look outside from the window. His eyes widen when he see Yoongi. He didn't care about his slippers and he go downstairs. Mhm. And he go downstairs. Jimin come downstairs. Come down. He come out from the house. He see Yoongi is. Jimin come downstairs. He come out from the house. He see Yoongi because of the rain, and he stand there like nothing happens. Jimin, Yoongi see him. Yoongi, Jimin, why you are standing here? Come, Yoongi, no. First tell me, you me or not? Jimin, Yoongi, we will talk inside the house. Now come. Yoongi, no. You go inside. Jimin, are you, huh? You see the rain? Come, Jimin, no. You go. Yoongi, no. You go from here. Jimin, no. Yoongi, come inside. Yoongi, Jimin, go inside the house. Jimin, fine. Now come, Yoongi, promise. Jimin, yes, said Andy. Jimin back him. He don't know why he's feeling from Yoongi behavior. He never behaved like this, and now Jimin, now come, he said, and they go inside the house. 34, 34, 12 minutes, 12 minutes, 2 and एक में 4 for 24, 26 को खत्म होना है. And almost 6 months passed now. Jimin, he just got to know he don't tell Yoongi till now. He thought he go, go home first and then tell him. But when he come, he can see Yoongi is. But Jimin, now what happened with you? Yoongi, what happened with me? Whom you were talking on the phone when I was calling you? Jimin, why I tell you? It's just my friend. Yoongi, oh, really, friend or something else? He said, and Jimin seeing him. Jimin, what do you mean, Yoongi? Yoongi, nothing. He about to go. Jimin, tell me, huh? Yoongi, nothing. Leave me. Jimin, I said, tell me. Yoongi stopped Jimin, he said, and Jimin on the Jinko. Jimin see him. He sits on the bed and he places his hand. There Jin comes, Jimin, Jin Hyun. Jin, Jimin, Jimin, I am Jin Hyun. Jin becomes so happy. Jin becomes so happy. I am also happy for Jimin. But your author I have just today. Hope so my tests go well. Oh, he's just like my Simba. Happy. Jin, congratulations. I am. Hmm. Congratulations. I am so happy. But but when he see Jimin, he smile. Jin, what happened, Jimin? Tell me. Jimin Hyung Yoongi tell him. Jimin is so much. Jimin, like this he me and Hyung. It's been 3 to 4 times. It's okay, but now I am Jin. So what you do, Jimin? Jimin go and write something on the letter. Jin, what is this? Jimin then explain him everything. Jimin, he have to understand Hyung about my value. You go from here. Jimin nodded. Jimin, he will have to control on himself. He is becoming day by day. Jin, you know what you are doing. Jimin nodded. He didn't take his anything and he go from there. He stay at home. Chan skip Yoongi come home. Yoongi, Jimin, where are you? He's finding him in the house. Jin, he is not here. Yoongi Hyung, where is Jimin? Jin gave him a note. Yoongi looked at him and then the note he opened and started to read. Yoongi, I don't know what happened with you, but you are changed now. You literally, it's first time me like this. You don't know how much it's me. What I said to someone, how much you show me whenever. Literally, Yoongi, now if you can control on your, come to me. Otherwise, no need. Stay like this because I can't take it anymore. Bye. Yoongi read and the paper fell from his hand. Yoongi, no, Jin, he is at hotel. Yoongi thanks Young, Jin sorry Jimin, but I know you both can't without each other. He said and he go from there. Jimin is also right. Yoongi, it's too much you have to understand. He can पानी है अगर गिर गया ना तो मम्मा ने मुझे भी आ देना ओके और इस समय ये 30 पर होगा also present Jimin and after that when you are coming you had and when I come forget everything and your mom said to me I don't talk with you what I do on that time you totally everything and your mom said you in front of me on that time. Bogam is your. He go from there. I don't know after that what happened and on that day I got to know you are and now Jin Hyung come home. He said to me I come back but I said no. I thought Bogam can change you Nona do job as your secretary. I said Nona she leave the job. I want to see you. I know I don't stay with you, but as your secretary, at least I can see you. See, but see once again we for each other, and now I have to. I do all this just to Yoongi trust me. Trust me. Yoongi, trust me. Hmm. I don't have. Yeah, this is the second last scene. I no third last. I don't have any attention to, and myself don't know. Myself only I know how much in these 3 months and how much he said. And he looking down. You see him. He stand up. He opened the drawer and gave him the note. And gave him the note. And gave him the note. I note किधर गया? हाँ. Jimin see the letter. He looked at him. Yoongi, you write this letter. He see the letter and also can see the ink is spread on somewhere. It's like the water. But the truth is this, he always to see the letter. Jimin, Yoongi, who said you, huh? My mom said, and you believe you go from there. I wait for you. Mom asked me, I go. Even after knowing he is here just for me. I see you in my office only. I know how much I am happy on that time. But also, you don't even try to talk with me. You don't even try to talk with me. I am judged by this. Jimin, how can you do this, huh? And the most important thing, you don't react. Even Bogam said he's my Jimin, I want him, but you stay silent. You think Jimin san as no, Jimin, no, you don't, but you're, Yoongi looking down, Yoongi, you are right, I'm Jimin, so much, please, Jimin, I'm also you from, Yoongi, I promise with you, no matter what's the situation now, I make sure I don't do any I do in past. Jimin smiled to Simyung and we take care. Jimin can see how much he is happy. Jim, how much he is happy. Jimin and man should just you change just for us. Yoongi hope so now the thing's fine. Jimin, what you do with Bogam? Yoongi hey me. Till now he said and Jimin shocked. Jimin what? Jimin what? And now at the end, I go in the room. They don't listen me. Literally, I am so tired from them. Hmm. I am of this. Okay, okay. So just some minutes pass. Some minutes are left. They are him. Man one. What you think, huh? You do. You think. Bogam, you don't know who I am, man. Oh, really? Who you are? Bogam, I am Min Bogam, he said, and the man. Oh, then it will be fun too. But boss said, Bogam eyes widened and he nodded. Okay, so you really don't know anything and don't do that voiceover on this text. As this is the second last scene and the second last text also. Hmm. What I do now? I don't know how to. Oh my, ये white ये मेरे पैरों से ही हुई है. मेरा फ़ोन काफ़ी ज़्यादा हीट हो गया और टाइम भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा हुआ. 26 का मैंने एस्टिमेट लगाया था पर बेटा ये तो 27-28 पर जाना. 3:30 पर एटलीस्ट मेरा वॉइस ओवर ख़त्म हुआ. Leave it. Okay, so my phone battery is also low. What I do here now, I don't know. I don't know what I do. Okay. Okay, so yeah. Jimin stand beside the window, looking outside. He is thinking finally everything become alright. He never think. He again rests his head on Yoongi. Jimin, Yoongi, what you are thinking? Jimin, just time passed so early. Yoongi, early, huh? He said and turned him. Yoongi, I know how I pass the time. Jimin, I'm not talking about this like we each other. Yoongi, correction, you me. Jimin chuckled, Jimin, yes, and then we start to each other. After that, we get, and all this, everything passed so early. Yoongi, yeah, right, I know you 6 times, and then we get. Jimin, haha, seriously, you are still on that thing, Yoongi? Of course I am. Jimin, smile. Yoongi, Jimin, Yoongi. Okay, so here the story is finished finally. After that, I'm like, one shot. I'm tired from the series now. Okay, so hope so you all like. If you like, then subscribe and please tell me in comments. Take care of yourselves and guys, watch me and also watch my video, share my video. Bye bye.